Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen. This is how to take scrolling a screenshot in laptop Windows. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to google.com and from here just simply search Chrome Web Store, and after that just simply select the first one, and from here use the search bar and search for Go Full Page. Now from here click on this one, click Add to Chrome, click Add Extension, and now just simply wait for it to load up. And now once you have these extensions on, as you can see, when we click on extension we will have this one. So let's say I'm gonna go for Amazon, and now I want to take a screenshot of these, for example. So I could just simply go ahead and click on this extension icon on the top right corner and then click on the extension. And now, as you can see, automatically it will screen capture the whole website. And that's pretty much it. And from here, you should be able to zoom in and out, and you should be able to download image as well over here. Click on allow, and it will be automatically downloaded into your laptop. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.